Hi, everybody. This is Mondays with Mike, a weekly video series where I answer questions from people just like you. As often is the case, I'm blessed to have in the studio our producer,
Marty.
And Marty's back with us today. We are glad. Marty, you're a young dude. You love technology. I'll be very interested in your opinion about this. What is your opinion of artificial intelligence and what impact do you think it's going to have? We could go for a couple hours on this.
Oh, I definitely could.
Yeah. What do you think?
First of all, I think artificial intelligence is similar to like when we discovered the computer, right? And we innovated that, right? I think artificial intelligence is that next significant step forward in technology that we're up against right now. And I think really moving into the future, I think it's going to have a massive impact from, everything really that you do in life. I think it's kind of like anything else with, a large step forward in technology, that there's people inherently that are afraid of it, right? Or they're afraid to give up doing the way that we've done things in order to facilitate the leap forward. And I think especially, media throughout the ages, right? You have the supercomputer or the robots or anything that takes over society or whatever. Yeah, exactly. But I mean, back in like the 80s when computers were being developed, that was also kind of a fear and then the internet comes around and we have all these. So it's really human, I think, to be apprehensive, but do I think it's going to be massively impactful moving forward? Absolutely.
I agree 100%. My car, if I take my hands off the wheel of my car, it'll honk at me inside the car. And if I don't take the wheel, my car will pull over, turn itself off, and call 911. Y'all, it's here. You got to get on the wagon. I don't care what industry you're in. You need to start studying. Go to openai.com. Go study. It doesn't matter the industry you're in. It's going to have an impact. So whether you're a car mechanic or a movie star or a real estate agent, or you run a studio like this one, or you're in my business, it's coming and it's going to be positive. Will some people use it for bad? Of course, but that's what happened with the internet. It's going to have a massive impact. This is not a fad. It's growing exponentially. Get on the bus. Start studying it. But don't worry so much about how it's going to affect you. Look at how it's going to affect your customers and your colleagues and your friends, and figure out ways you can help them using the technology. I, for one, am very excited about it. Hope that answer was helpful. Thank you, Marty. Always a pleasure. If you have a question, send it to info@mikestaver.com. We're going to work it in very soon. Don't forget to share Mondays with Mike on your social channels. We appreciate it very much. Take care.